Hello everyone, welcome to solve this math Olympiad algebra problem, and here we have square root of a plus square root of b equals to 10 and square root of ab equals to 10. So here we solve this problem for the values of a and b. So first of all, we call this as equation number 1 and we call this as equation number 2. So here first we focus on equation number 1. And in equation number 1, we first take the square on both of the sides of equation number 1. So here we write that our equation number 1 implies square root of a plus square root of b and its whole square equals to 10 square. Here we just take square on both of the sides of equation number 1. So after that, here we use the nice square identity in the left hand side, and we know that a plus b whole square equals to a square plus b square plus 2 times of a and b, and this is equals to, we have 10 square and 10 square equals to 100. So in the next step, here we need a little bit simplification. So this 2 and square root are gone and we get a, and here this 2 and square root are gone and we get b, plus here we combine the square root of both of these terms and we get 2 times of square root of ab equals to 100. So here we use equation number 2, and in equation number 2 we have square root of ab equals to 10. So we substitute this value here and we write it as a plus b plus 2 times of the value of this term is 10 and this whole equals to 100. And here we use equation number 2. Okay, so now we need more simplification, and here we have a plus b plus 2 times of 10 is 20 equals to 100, and we move this 20 to the right hand side, and here we get a plus b equals to 100 minus 20, and this will be equals to a plus b equals to 80. And now we call this as equation number 3. So here we again focus on equation number 2, and our equation number 2 implies that our equation number 2 will be written in this form as square root of ab equals to 10. And now we take a squaring on both of the sides of this equation, so that when we take squaring on both of the sides, it will becomes in this form. So we know that these 2 and square root are gone and we get ab equals to 10 square equals to 100. And here we move this a to the right hand side and we get the value of b. So our b equals to 100 over a, and we call this as equation number 4. And we substitute the value of b in equation number 3. So in equation number 3 we have a plus b equals to 80. So we just write it here, put in equation number 3. So our equation number 3 is this, a plus b equals to 80. So we write it as a plus b, and the value of b is 100 over a equals to 80. Here we just write this is 80. And now we write this in simplified form, so that here we multiply both of the sides by a, or we just take the LCM on the left hand side, so that when we multiply both of the sides by a, it will becomes in this form, a multiplied by a plus a multiplied by 100 over a equals to a multiplied by 80. And now we get here a times of a is a square plus this a are gone, and we get 100 equals to 80 times of a. So now we get here this nice quadratic equation. So now we can rearrange in standard form, and we get a square minus 80a plus 100 equals to 0. So this will becomes a quadratic equation, and now we can solve this quadratic equation and we get the values of a. So here we use the quadratic formula and we have the coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to minus 80, and c equals to 100. And our quadratic formula will be looks like in this form. It is written as a equals to minus b plus minus, this is minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. This is the quadratic formula, and we substitute all the values of a, b and c here, and we obtain this is minus b and the value of b is minus 80. So this minus times of minus becomes plus 80, and plus minus square root of 80, square of 80 minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 100, and this is divided by 2 times of a, and our a is equals to 1. So here we simplify the terms, and we write it as 80 plus minus the square of 80 equals to 6400, and 4 times of 100 equals to 400 and its whole square root divided by 2. So when we subtract these values, and it will be equals to 80 plus minus square root of 6000 divided by 2. So here we write the 6000 in the form of 80 plus minus square root of 400 multiplied by 15. We know that 400 times of 15 equals to 6000, and now here we need more simplification, and we get 80 plus minus the square root of 400 equals to 20, and the square root of 15 is written as 15 square root over 2. So here we break the fraction, and we write it as a equals to 80 over 2 plus minus 20 over 20 times of square root of 15 divided by 2. So here we cancel the terms, and we get 2 4s are 8 and 0, so we get 40 plus minus, here we have 2 tens are 20 and 10 times of square root of 15. So these are the two values of a. And now we find the value of b. So in order to find the value of b, here we need equation number 3. So that first we copy down equation number 3, and equation number 3 are a plus b equals to 80. So here, because we find the value of b and we move this a to the right hand side, this will becomes b equals to 80 minus a. And now we substitute the above value of a here, and we easily get the value of b. So we have b equals to 80 minus a, and over a is this one, so we substitute it here. 40 plus minus 10 times of square root of 15. And now when we multiply this minus sign on both of these terms, so this plus minus will becomes minus plus form. It will be written as b equals to 80 minus 40, because this minus multiplied by this 40 becomes minus 40, and this minus will change these signs, and we write it as minus plus of 10 times of square root of 15. So here we easily get the value of b is 80 minus 40 is 40 minus plus 10 times of square root of 15. So these are the two values of b. So these are the values of a, and these are the values of b, and this is our final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.